I was in Lidl the other day and I found this. A box of 6 classic English beers, or British beers, sorry. Now, a little backstory. I first started going to a local pub when I was about 16 with a friend from school. We both drank light and bitter, mainly because you always got a little bit extra. I liked it and it more or less became my staple pub drink. Served at about room temperature, we were grown up, carrying our jar with a half-empty bottle of light ale, because the bottle had been part emptied into the glass so we wouldn't spill any. We went back to the dartboard, picked up our darts and started throwing arrows. But then I left England when I was about 22 and I've been a European lager drinker ever since. I've dabbled with English beers and ales occasionally when I've been there, but they aren't really my cup of tea. I obviously had too much money in my pocket when I bought this box. I'll show you again, from Lidl, just for the fun of it. And I'm going to try each beer and see what I think about it. Should be fun. After I've drunk every beer, I'll compare it to 2 local beers I like here in Germany. So here's the first beer from my collection of classic ales. McEwens Levy, or Levi. I'm going to say Levi because I don't have a Chevy and I can't take it to the Levy. So this is the first one I'm going to try. I honestly don't think I'm going to like it. I have no preconceptions because I couldn't find anything about this beer on the website from McEwens, although McEwens is owned by Masters. So here we go. This would normally not be my kind of beer, but we're going to give it a try anyway. Oi. Wow, it's sort of a couple of the other beers said they tasted of toffee. That one does as well, and then it has a sort of a aftertaste. I'm not sure if I like that at all. Let's give it another go. Oh, that does have a funny aftertaste. Don't know how to describe that. It doesn't taste, it's not like a heavy beer. I expected it to have much more taste, to be honest. Now, I can't honestly say it does taste a great deal, but it's got this funny sort of first taste, and then as it goes down your throat, it's got another taste which I really don't like. I'm going to drink it anyway, but I can't honestly say that that's a hit. And if that's the first one, and all the beers that I've got belong to the Marston's brewery, I suspect they'll all be very similar. I'll see. I'll come back when I've finished it. I put it in a glass so I can see what colour it is actually, and you can see here it's quite dark. And I've found that the more I've drunk, that first taste it's fallen away. But the second taste has changed to kind of a bitter. Yeah, it's quite bitter. I'm going to give it initial. What should I give it initially? I mean, one of them is enough for me, those ones. I'm going to say something like about 3, perhaps 3 out of 10. Simply, partly because I didn't like it at the beginning. I really didn't like the first taste compared to the aftertaste. And like I say, now it doesn't really taste of anything. Except it has this bitter taste, which I'm assuming is something to do with the hops or the barley or whatever they use to put in it. without any information from the website, can't really do much about it, to be honest. But I don't know. There's not much gas in it, so probably if you liked it, you could probably drink it quite well. No. Well, McEwens / Marston's